In this video, we're going to be unboxing and give a little test drive of this HBX Rampage. So here it is, it's 1/18 scale, so roughly about the same size as one of these wltoys A979s. It's ready to run, 4-wheel drive, ball bearings, splash-proof electronics, and you've got to be older than 14 years. The Creighton, the electronics died, the servo's dead, and the ESC's dead, and I'm, trying to fix it with other stuff. So I might be putting that in there. But more importantly, I've got something else to show you, and it's under here. Actually, I'll show you that later. Let's get this thing unboxed. Subscribe and smash the bell. So, you get car, radio, battery, charger, instructions, parts manual, and stickers. The only thing it doesn't come with is a couple of AA batteries. So the car itself actually looks pretty epic. And here's the size compared to the wltoys A979. So, to charge it up, you plug that in there, and that into there. So while that's charging up, let's have a little look to see what's inside this. So it's got double wishbone suspension, front and rear. The drive shafts are plastic, and the shocks are spring only. You can't put any oil in there, look, they're hollow. So there's the motor, it's 4-wheel drive, and the overall quality of it actually looks pretty good. Alright, so while that's charging up, let's get some stickers on there. So first things first, it's actually got a protective film on the body that you have to pull off. Years ago, I painted the body, and then I put all my stickers on top of that. And I didn't realise it had this. When I pulled it off, all my stickers were gone. So luckily, all these stickers come pre-cut, which is handy. Oh, she's all stickered up. Check it out. Just in case you're wondering what this is, I hot glued it to the bottom of the controller so I can film and drive at the same time. Oh, it's all charged up. That literally took about 15 minutes. That servo's got some power. I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with these cheap RC cars nowadays. They actually come with some half-decent servos. Nah, doesn't look that fast, but we'll see. Size-wise, we're about 9 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 4 inches tall. Alright, let's see what this thing's made of. Oh, guys, look, it's got a slow and a normal speed on the transmitter. Oh, that's better. Alright, let's get it in the workshop. Oh, it's actually got a bit of power. Guys, for the size of it, it's actually pretty fast. Oh, backflip. Oh, look at that, we're whipping a donut. Guys, it actually handles pretty good, you can drift it. Oh, nailed it. Oh yes! Oh, and it saves it! This is like a little mini indoor monster. Oh! Straight into that metal pole. This is actually fun, guys. This is much better than I was expecting out of it, I'll tell you that. Guys, I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It's a lot faster than I was expecting. It jumps nicely, it backflips. It's taken a couple of crashes so far. So tomorrow we're going to take it to the BMX track or to the skate park somewhere. Oh, let's have a little look under here. Subscribe!
Oh, that wltoys one? No, this one isn't. I wonder if I can backflip it off of there. I think it might be able to. Oh, no. Mitch, you want to go? Yeah, please. Oh, he stacks it. What's all that music coming out over there? Got yourself right here. Almost. Count.
landing. Oh, you got more RC cars over there, Mitchell. Oh, it lands on him. Oh, that's not fast enough, or Stephen hasn't got the skills.
Oh, I'm going to go with the second one. Oh my God!
What are you doing? Oh, he knows picks it. Hey! No. Hey! Oh, where's he going? Oh, he's got competition. He's got some competition going on. Oh, and he airs it out. Oh, on the butt. Stephen's going to try and catch it himself. Hey! Yeah! How good do you reckon he'll be on grass, Stephen? Yeah, does he alright? Nice. Do something epic for YouTube. Oh, guys, I've just put a 2S Lipo in there from a wltoys A959, and I'm going to put a link to that battery down below too. But it fits in there, look. Plug straight in, and watch, it's so much faster. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to film with the GoPro in one hand and this in the other hand, so if the footage sucks a little bit, sorry, the phone mount fell off of here, so this is what it is. It's a little bit difficult one-handed, but it's still doable. Hey, there we go. Guys, I'm impressed with this little thing. Oh! Oh, that could nearly do a double. Nailed it. The thing's angry. It actually goes fast with this Lipo, guys. I mean, it's the same voltage as the other battery, but it's just got so much more punch. This really is a cheap bit of fun. This is going to be great for some indoor bashing. I think I'm going to build a little mini monster truck track indoors. Hey! So guys, for the price, I'm genuinely impressed with this thing. I mean, these cheap, you know, they're still hobby grade, but these cheap RCs, they've come a long way over the years. It wasn't that long ago when if you bought something for this sort of price, it would completely and utterly suck. And even if you go like to Walmart or to Tesco's or Argos, you're going to get a toy grade RC for the same price. It's not going to be anywhere near as good as this. So the only letdown, which it hasn't really got real shocks. If you have a look at the shocks, there's no oil in there, they're hollow. And I would say that's the only disadvantage that I can see so far. I mean, when we was at the skate park, a load of random kids come over, they wanted to have a little play, so I just let them play with it. They just kind of played with that, and there's no damage. So overall, guys, I'm pretty happy. So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to put a link to this below. Also, with that Lipo, it is so much faster. So I'm going to put links to that Lipo down below too. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button so notified. See you soon. Bye. I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay. And I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items. And I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too, guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that, guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below, guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. All right, guys, enjoy the video.